Well, on the news are tonight two sides. One side is winning, one side is losing. Srinivasan's side is losing. Those who are against Srinivasan are winning. On the winning side tonight, it appears they are winning. Appears. Lest people take this legally. Sanjay Hegde, senior advocate of the Supreme Court, because nowadays cricket discussions become legal discussions more and more. Atul Vasan, former Indian Test cricketer. Bimal Soni, I think he switched sides. He was with Srinivasan earlier, now he's against Srinivasan. Maybe that's the way things are going nowadays. Himanshu Chaturvedi against Srinivasan, he's on the winning side. V. Krishnaswamy is on the winning side, and it appears Kishore Bhimani is on the winning side. But why are you losing, Atul Vasan? It seems the color has gone from your face today. You're looking pale. You got it all wrong. Why are you on the losing side?
Really? Oh my God. I just got a face job done, Arnab, but thanks for making the compliment, I must say. But you've chosen side for me anyway, and I've always been subjective rather than objective, and you've only focused on one object, Mr. Srinivasan, and what's wrong with the thing. I think it's much bigger, and I've always touched upon that. And I certainly got this refresher course in market cap and economics just now. Doesn't make sense. I couldn't care at all. All my care is that probably this is the end game, this is a tipping point, and if it needs a few teams to be sacked, few people going here there to cleanse the system, so be it.
Change of line. Himanshu Chaturvedi, you notice?
No, not really.
You notice Atul Vasan's change of line. The same person who said no team should go. The same person who said why should a team be sacked says today to clean up the game, let a couple of teams be sacked.
I know.
What a change of line.
Well, if it needs to be at that point, but if
which point? The point is come.
But I'm just saying that if this is the point where it's reached, where if even the court says that this has got to be done, we got to do that, and just hope that the next incumbent team that comes in.
I reject your attempt at trying to justify a U-turn, Himanshu Chaturvedi. Himanshu Chaturvedi taking him on, and there are bigger questions on Dhoni's propriety also, which people like Atul Vasan never ask about. But anyway, Himanshu Chaturvedi, big smile on your face. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Arnab, two very important points I would like to draw today for the debate. I am the only man who's been trying to expose Dhoni from day one. It has been 15 months I've been shouting on number of channels, and I was getting reprimanded by a number of people, including some people sitting on the panel today, that why am I after Dhoni? Today, the Supreme
Who is the person? Name the person on the panel today who questioned you over why you are asking Dhoni. Name the person.
2 days back, the last time when I was with you, Sundar Raman, even Sunil, Mr. Vasan, everybody was after me. Why are you dragging Dhoni into it?
Sumant Raman, yes.
Dhoni is the man.
Yeah.
Into it. Again, another very important point I would draw.
I want to ask one question.
No, counter question. Atul Vasan throws it back at you, Atul Vasan. Go ahead, Atul. Atul is throwing it back at you. 1 second. Himanshu, no. The question is on Dhoni. Atul Vasan, counter question.
Okay, yeah. I don't know why we are expecting somebody like Dhoni, who probably, according to me, has got, please let me finish, he's got the most conviction and most gumption as a skipper in 80 years. No skipper has been able to stand against the board's way of working. Anybody who has questioned has been thrown to the by-lanes.
And Dhoni has been taking on the board.
The clout, the strength and the backing. And some at points. So I think if anybody who has got or has the spine to stand against the board is Dhoni.
So tell me one instance. Tell me one instance when Dhoni stood against the board. Okay, tell me one instance when he really fired up the board on this whole issue of the IPL scam. On the whole issue of the IPL scam which has been there. Tell me when.
Probably the only thing I can hold against him that he was being naive. That he thought that he could say certain things and let the people lie. But if he would have known that this would be like this. No, not lying. And did you hear ever that he said that Mayappan was the owner? We never got to hear the tape as well. So I think just to put
he called Mayappan a cricket enthusiast.
Anybody, he is the guy who can actually stand against
Krishnaswamy coming into the debate tonight. The question is, does Dhoni need to let go of one of the positions? He holds several positions. He's vice president of India Cements and captain of Chennai Super Kings in India. Most of us believe these two positions are inherently conflicting in nature. They are inherently conflicting in nature. Krishnaswamy.
Another head, can I add
Krishnaswamy first. No, 1 second, Himanshu, let Krishnaswamy come in.
Business.
Yeah, Krishnaswamy.
Arnab, apart from the 3 hats that you mentioned, he also runs his own business.
Right.
So he's probably got a hat rack. And the fact is that I heard people say that Dhoni's got the gumption, he stood up to the board. He has not stood up to the board. The board has backed him like no other captain has been backed in the history of Indian cricket. Dhoni has got the backing of every inch of the board. So no little wonder then he has actually been able to get things done his own way. And today, I would say it's not even the vice presidentship of the India Cements that bothers me. It is about the business that he himself ran, and for a brief period and for a while, he even had shares in the management company which was actually managing the affairs of his own teammates and on whose selections that he was actually sitting on.
Cozy club argument tonight. Can anyone take them on?
Does that not
Very potent charge of Cozy club. Would like to remind our viewers, anyone takes them on? No, Sanjay Hegde, not one word. Sanjay Hegde has changed his line. I think Sanjay Hegde has become anti-Srinivasan tonight. Have you, Mr. Hegde? Have you?
I never was for Srinivasan. I was always
But
for the players.
you were sort of for him. You were sort of for him.
Now everybody is for cricket.
I am not against him either. I hold no brief. I hold no brief.
Everybody is for cricket now.
Listen.
Now.
I have no brief for Srinivasan. As far as the players are concerned, I still maintain that if the Supreme Court is taking a call on it, wait for the Supreme Court. Secondly,
Come on, the Supreme Court has made some very serious inquiries. You heard them.
Now to go after... No, it is stupidity to go after Dhoni before the Australians and the South Africans go after him in the World Cup.
What do you mean
Let
go after?
him get us the World Cup.
No,
We'll
define
talk
go
about
after,
everything
Mr. Hegde.
later.
What is go after?
No. I think this argument is
Go after is
completely
exactly
ridiculous.
this.
That just because
What
you
is
won
he
the last
accused of?
World Cup,
Just let me
because
read-
India won the last
just let
World
me
Cup,
read the
we should-
Mudgal
we
report
should just turn a
and-
blind
Can I
eye
come in?
to
No,
whatever
let
is
me
happening in
read the
Indian
Mudgal
cricket. No,
report.
it doesn't work like that.
It doesn't. Yes, Krishnaswamy. Yes, Krishnaswamy.
You know,
Why-
just because India won the World Cup,
Why are
you can't just suddenly say,
hobbling
close your eyes and say,
captain
okay, you go
before
ahead and do anything.
The most
No.
important battle.
No, you can't say that.
No. What did he do?
My
what did
friend,
he do?
the battle is also integrity. The battle is also sport.
I am assuming
it's
that
not
there
just
are two
one
people who are
cup.
mentioned in the Mudgal report, and you. No, it is the World Cup. It is the World Cup. Each time you win the World Cup, India rejoices. When Kapil Dev won, we rejoiced. When Ganguly
Yes,
lost,
and
we
each time you
cried.
also
World
see the
Cup,
blood under the
And
carpet.
now you want, when
Every time
Dhoni
you win the
won,
World
we
Cup, you see
won.
the dust
And
on the
now
carpet.
you want,
It is the World Cup.
why
it's
are
important,
you
but
playing
not
for the
more important
Australian
than the
team?
integrity
Why
of the
are you
sport.
playing for the Australian team?
Who's playing for the Australian team?
Why are you playing for the Australian
I'm not playing
team?
for Australia or South Africa or England.
They know
I am
the
actually
entire
playing
gang who is
for the
against-
integrity of the sport.
No, this is a very dangerous
Why are
charge.
we?
No,
Why
one
are
second,
we?
one
Why
second.
are we-
No, what
why
this
are we
is.
doing
No,
the Australians and
one
the
minute,
South Africans
Mr. Hegde, Mr. Hegde, a minute. This is a very dangerous charge. 1 second. This charge basically, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, Sanjay Hegde is a brilliant lawyer sometimes, and now he's arguing there. He says that if you question Dhoni and why he is chairman, vice president of India Cements, Mr. Bhimani, I want you to come in. You are holding yourself back tonight. Now, the question being asked there is, if you question why Dhoni is vice president of India Cements, you are unpatriotic, you are a bad cricket fan, you are helping Australia, you are against your cricket team, you are, in other words, a cricketing traitor. If you question why Dhoni is vice president of India Cements, your response, Mr. Bhimani, go ahead.
If you
Where
question
No, one
now,
second.
Integrity go.
If you
Where does the
question
integrity
now-
of the sport go?
Let's lower the temperatures a bit. May I get just 1 minute to speak, Arnab? Let us
It's
look at
very
the three
cold in
hats
Delhi,
very
Kishore.
carefully. Captain of the country,
Yeah.
captain of the country, captain of a private team, and vice president of a private company. Now here, he is allowed to wear all three hats if the captaincy happen to be of another team, as it is in Big Bash, the Caribbean League, the Sri Lankan League. The national captain is also captain of a team. But this team happens to be owned by Mr. Srinivasan, the president of the board. Secondly, he's not on a company which is an innocent company, but also the company which owns the board. Now, what is the result of this? We are talking about what things can go wrong. How can conflict happen?
Yeah.
Let us look back on this and not forget that once upon a time when India did a lousy job in England and Australia,
Yeah.
the selectors had met.
Yeah.
There is anecdotal evidence at the selectors meeting, they had decided to drop Dhoni.
Good point, good point.
Mr. Srinivasan walked into the selectors room, said, give us the team, but Dhoni stays. Now this is the thing that has been confirmed by a lot of people. This is what comes of conflict of interest. If he is heading up vice president of a team which looks after his future,
Good point.
why not? But
Good
not
point.
this team. If he is CSK, if the CSK chief, then if it's the CSK chief's team, then that is a conflict of interest.
I think that's a
And
really...
then if it is Riti Sports,
Yeah.
it is also a conflict of interest.
I think it's a really, really compelling, strong argument, and I challenge anyone on the panel today to question the case in point which has been raised by the very respected, very eloquent, and sometimes subjugated verbally by Sumant Raman, Kishore Bhimani. Kishore Bhimani says that there is documented evidence. Actually, there is anecdotal evidence, not documented. I place it on record. What are you showing? What is that? For every time you have a piece of paper, you have more pieces of paper than me. What are you showing? Go ahead.
The same what Mr. Bhimani is saying.
Okay.
It's the same paper where
Okay.
I
Srinivasan
have one very
said that he
simple
saved
question
MS
on
Dhoni from being axed.
The question, I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, if you've forgotten the case in point which both these
I have a
gentlemen
very
are
simple
talking
answer
about,
to that.
is that in December 2012, there was what they don't mention is Mohinder Singh Amarnath. No, understand this. Mohinder Singh Amarnath had said that Srinivasan overruled the selector's decision, right, to remove Dhoni after a series of losses. Now, you say, Mr. Hegde, you are not a patriot. You say you're not a patriot, you're a bad cricket fan, you don't like your country, you want to help Australia. If you question why Dhoni should not continue, if you question why Dhoni should continue as the Vice President of India Cements,
Supporting Australia.
was this question asked when Mohinder Amarnath
answer.
raised the question in December 2012? I don't remember. Was it asked Bimal Soni? Was it asked why you quiet Bimal
He was
Soni?
thrown
Did
out of
Mohinder
selectors.
Amarnath resign?
Pardon me?
Anab, I know this.
No, he did not.
I know this episode.
He was
And Anab, I would like to state here
He was conflicted.
that I would like to quote here
Who said
that
Dhoni?
Jimmy Amarnath
Was Shrikant
was
who said
dropped.
Dhoni? Is that right?
was dropped after that as national selector,
Yes.
and Sandeep
Exactly.
Patil was brought in.
Yes.
I do remember that. And Jimmy was dropped when Jimmy was supposed to be the chairman. I know this episode, and I have another thing to say, that it was one of the very sad moments when cricketers' prestige was cruelly killed by the administrators. I am with you on this.
No,
but
now
what
you
I
are
would
with
like
me.
to
Did
say
you speak
is-
one word then, Mr. Soni?
as
What
far-
happened for the first
Mr.
time?
Soni, you also didn't say anything. Why did you say anything?
Quoting
then?
me wrong. I am telling you, I have always been with the cricketers. But you are quoting me wrong when you talk of Srinivasan. Dhoni is the vice president of India Cements. I didn't know. Yes.
You didn't know.
He can be captain of CSK.
You
he
did
can be
no,
captain
one
of
second. He
India.
is now Vice President of India Cements. He was appointed Vice President of India Cements in February 2013. No, 1 second. Let me clarify. He was appointed Vice President of India Cements in February
I
2013. This incident happened in December 2012. Okay. So one can argue here, no, but this incident happened
That's what
before
I'm
he was
saying.
made Vice
So he has
President.
been appointed later.
Yes, so
That is what I'm saying. So, but this clearly indicates that Srinivasan Saha was always helping him.
No, so
That's
this.
it.
No, watch it. No, what this
What
indicates.
I am again repeating
watch it. Bimal Soni, look at this. Suppose this is an angle, and I am putting a big suppose here. 1 second. I am putting a big suppose here. Suppose Krishna Swami, therefore, Dhoni was doing very badly, and there are reports that there was a unanimous decision of the selection committee, Atul Vasan, to replace Dhoni after the disastrous series of Australia. Yeah. At that point of time, suppose this report is true, that suppose Srinivasan came in and Srinivasan saved Dhoni's job. 3 months later, is Dhoni repaying the favor by becoming Vice President of India Cements? Krishna Swami, Atul Vasan?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course you're saying.
Okay,
Of
let me
course.
tell. I think at
Of
that
course.
point.
No, and then what should
in
Atul
hindsight,
Vasan, all this
listen
doesn't
to me.
make
So
sense
what
to
happened
you.
at that point?
Atul Vasan, you don't see the possible
Yeah, of course
links
it
here.
makes sense. I know why it happened. We can always know why it happened. In hindsight, that time there was conflict at every step of the way. The board operates like that. If you are with them or against them,
what
if
is
you
this
follow them,
argument?
You're dropped.
Every
you're taken
step
away.
of the way.
So I think probably
Because
now,
how can you
if you
justify
would have known,
that there was a
if you would have
conflict at
known,
every
please
step,
let me
the board
finish.
operates like that.
We
How can
can't
you
justify. We
that?
cannot justify. We cannot justify. We are just
Exactly,
finding a
that's
reason
what I'm
why it
trying to
happened.
say.
And now, if I know
Atul,
Dhoni well, you'll
after
find
so
him
many years
before,
of
after the
cricket,
court.
when
Please
you
listen.
say, at that
Please.
point of time things were different.
Yes.
They were
Yeah.
no different a year ago.
Yes, because
They were
this is how the board operates. There's a complete sweeping power.
What do you mean? What do you mean this is how the board operates?
We are
No,
questioning
what on earth do you
everything.
mean? What do you mean this is how the board operates?
Now I'm saying
No,
it
what do
now.
you mean this is how the board operates?
If you
No, what do you mean
Of
by
course
this is
it
how the
We
board
talked about
operates?
Selectors being.
This is my
You just
cricket
mentioned that the selectors
team.
have been
What do you mean this is how the board
The
operates?
cricket team has been picked like this. This is what you've just mentioned, that you have said that selectors are just dummies. You've questioned the integrity. You've questioned every.
I have said
That is
I have
right.
not
I'm
questioned the
agreeing with that.
selectors'
There were people who were
integrity.
running the board.
No, wrong.
Complete.
Atul Vasan, don't misquote me.
Of course.
Don't misquote me, Atul. No, don't misquote me, Atul.
Wrong. You said the selectors were influenced.
I am saying, no, one second.
It's a hearsay,
What
right?
am I saying? I am saying there are reports that the selectors had decided to remove Dhoni, right?
Exactly.
To remove Dhoni
It's
and
hearsay. So let's go,
Yeah,
even if I agree to that.
Arnab did any of
I
those
am just
selectors
saying,
the
I
word
agree to the point that he did that.
one at a time, gentlemen, one at a
They were
time.
overridden.
One at a time.
They were overridden.
I'm just
Can I
saying,
take
you
over?
will find. Okay, I will
These
give you a
selectors were not
challenge today. What's going to happen
influenced.
now?
They were
After the dust will settle, after the dust is settled, Dhoni will be the first one to walk away from all this. You bet.
What do you mean walk away from all this? Walk away from what?
Yeah, he will say, because the question has arisen now that he is a vice president. At that time, he didn't realize that this was wrong.
He didn't
was
realize.
everywhere able to see
He
that
didn't
they were-
realize he's.
Okay,
No, one second. He didn't realize
Of
this.
course.
No, one second.
What
One
did
second.
he?
He didn't realize that
He's
there
a
are
young
media
man
reports
who's
all
coming from
over.
one,
There are media reports all over that the chairman of the. No, one second. One minute. Just 1 minute. One second. Atul Vasan, let me complete. There are reports all over that the chairman of selectors has been removed because he dared to take him on the take the board on when the board was trying to push its way through to keep Dhoni as captain against the reported advice of the selectors. So Amarnath is removed, and you are saying 3 months later when Dhoni becomes vice president of India Cements, he never knew that this whole drama happened 2 months earlier. You're telling me to believe that?
Arnab, the world's smartest
they were
captain,
so-
the
there were
world's
different
smartest
things happening
captain, and you think he's a babe in the woods.
Yeah, he says Atul Vasan thinks he's a babe in the woods.
Can I come in, Arnab?
Now, can I?
Atul Vasan thinks he's a babe in the woods.
Negative says he should be made into a.
I'm getting flooded with calls tonight. I'm not taking calls. I want the debate to continue. But you can tweet.
Arnab,
Suman C.
can I make a
Raman.
point?
Arnab,
My question is,
did any,
Can I take Atul on a minute?
Hi.
no, one sec. This is a rare occasion. A rare occasion when Suman C. Raman has not been allowed to speak. Suman C. Raman, I can only tell you all the panelists have come together and are taking revenge on you. But since
I just came in.
everyone's changing their position, are you also changing your position? Are you joining the anti-Srinivasan group or are you still doggedly with Srinivasan?
No. My position is
I
very
don't agree
clear.
with his views.
Yes.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah, go ahead.
1 minute, Arnab.
Have 2
First of all,
minutes,
let's
take 2
take the issue of the multiple hats that Dhoni wears. Yeah, okay. No. I just take 1 minute. First of all, there are many cricketers who are employed by India Cements who are playing in the IPL. 1 minute. There is Rahul Dravid, there is Dinesh Karthik, there is Lakshmipati Balaji, all of whom Sudeep Tyagi.
I thought Rahul Dravid retired. What are you talking about?
Many of whom play for teams other than CSK. No, 1 minute. I'm talking about those who played in the IPL for teams other than CSK. They have a much bigger conflict of interest because they are playing against their own employer's team. So we have to look at facts.
No,
and
that's
talk
not
about
that is not as big a conflict of interest as being vice president in your employer's team.
Of course,
As being vice president in your employer's team.
Or Delhi Daredevils, for which Karthik was once playing, was playing against CSK.
Okay, can I ask you
What would
2-3
happen?
questions? Can I ask you 2-3
Would they
questions?
play for their
Suppose I ask
employer
a
or would they
question.
play for their,
Suppose I'm asking
IPL
a
team?
question. Suppose I'm asking a question. If the BCCI
Yeah.
is meant to be an impartial body, can the captain of India get into a private arrangement with the board president's company?
If he was working for the railways, you'll probably say that he is trying to get more players from
No.
the railways in. It's
No.
the same thing. He cannot work.
No, wrong.
Indian cricket team.
Wrong, I
If he
wouldn't
was
say
working
that.
for the- why-
I am
why?
saying,
It's the
I
same
am
thing.
saying,
It's
I
the
am
same
saying, look
logic.
at the present situation. There's a Mudgal committee
he
report.
cannot work in that case.
No, I'm saying, look at the present situation.
What has the Mudgal committee
The
report
Mudgal,
said?
no, one
It's
second.
only
So I'm asking today
it's
when
it has
Dhoni
made
goes before the
a
Mudgal
query
committee,
asking
hypothetical
what is
question.
the status of Dhoni?
Opening up to debate, please. I think others want to come in. Kishore Bhimani wants to come in. Kishore Bhimani, why are you crying? Don't restrain yourself. Your favorite man, Sumansi Raman, is going on and not letting you speak. Please respond to him, please. He says conflict of interest is an imaginary
I haven't
issue.
gone on and on.
He says conflict of interest is an imaginary issue.
May I?
Yes, please, Mr. Bhimani.
In Dhoni's case, in Dhoni's case.
One sec.
Yeah, conflict of interest, as we have said over the months, in conflict of interest is on many parts. One is Mr. Srinivasan's own conflict of interest. Here we are concentrating on Mr. Dhoni. Its point, we don't mind him being vice president of a company, but not this company which is owned by his boss. He is the captain of Mr. Srinivasan's team. He is captain of India, of which Mr. Srinivasan is board president. He is vice president of the same company.
Mr. India,
Now, somewhere along the line, the whole thing, it's a,
Mr.
now
Bhimani.
Indian cricket, the CSK.
Mr. Bhimani, if
whole
Mr. Dhoni
thing-
worked, let's hypothetically Mr. Dhoni worked for Reliance and then he picked 3 Mumbai Indian players, you know what you would say? He is doing it because he's working for Reliance.
There is no conflict
He
of
cannot
interest if you work for
period.
Reliance.
No, 1 second.
There is no
One minute.
conflict
I'll
of interest
respond
if
to
you
that.
work for Reliance.
No, I'll respond to that. 1 second. I would like to respond to that. So 1 minute. So 1 minute. Look at the situation here.
I will.
No.
I will respond to Mr. Raman.
Oh, you want to respond? Go
I
ahead.
will
Go ahead.
respond to Mr.
Go on.
Raman.
Respond, Mr. Bhimani. Respond.
Okay, Arnab.
Respond. I'm listening.
Mr. Raman made a statement. I'm responding to it. If today Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was vice president of a Reliance company, of Kingfisher, God bless him if Kingfisher was there, but any other company, there is no conflict of interest because as anywhere else in the world, he is allowed to be in a commercial position, but not in the company of the Indian board president, who is also his boss in CSK. It's a glaring conflict of interest, and if Mr. Raman doesn't know it, I feel very sorry for him.
Yeah, and Mr. Raman, consider this: if Mukesh Ambani was the BCCI chief.
What are you implying? What misconduct are you alleging that Dhoni would do? He would pick more players from India Cements, or he would pick more players from CSK?
It's not about the person.
What are you alleging? I'm not able to understand.
Sir,
this
we
at
are
all.
talking about this.
Nobody. Wait a minute.
What is the
We-
allegation?
Who is alleging?
This is not about. No. One second. Opening it up, please. Krishna Swami is coming in. No, 1 second.
Does not mean a crime has been committed.
No, 1 minute. Arnab.
You don't get the point.
His own
If
company
Krishna Swami is coming to the debate. The question is, he's vice president of a company. Let me reiterate. Sumansi Raman.
Mr. Raman,
Sumansi Raman, listen, Mr. Raman, listen.
What about the players who are being picked were also being managed by his own company?
Yeah.
That is a different debate
What about
altogether.
it? There are
Did he
players who
not
are
have an
managed for
interest in
rival
private
teams who are being
company
managed.
also?
Wait,
Apart from
what is
working
the
for
allegation
the-
today?
Okay,
working for
can you
Indian
answer
What
this
is
one
the allegation
question?
today?
And also the players there were players being managed by that
What
company.
is the allegation?
Why do you want an allegation?
What do you
I
mean
am
manage?
managing you and I pick you in my team.
No, what do you mean manage? No.
can I get 30 seconds?
No, 1 minute. By the same token, I can make an allegation that players who were employed by India Cements playing for other IPL teams were maybe made to underperform when they were playing CSK. Why aren't you taking action against those players? Why are you singling out Dhoni?
1 second. Because
maybe
he's
somebody was playing for Delhi
because
Capitals or
Fairy
Kolkata
tale,
Knight
pure
Riders,
fairy
and
tale.
they were
Because
not
of the fact-
performing well because they were playing
Because
against their
of the fact
employer's team.
that there is a conflict
That's
of
even
interest.
more obvious.
He
No, what
may
is-
or may not have done. He may or may not have committed any misdemeanor, but the fact is that it is a position that is not tenable. He may not have committed any misdemeanor.
Right, absolutely.
No one is saying that he is dishonest.
No, Mr. Sumansi Raman is arguing from the other extreme. 1 second. Himanshu Chaturvedi is coming. Atul Vasan is coming to the debate. 1 second. Atul Vasan. 1 minute, gentlemen. Now listen to me. The argument that Sumansi Raman puts, which many people rhetorically put in this debate, is What are you debating? Dhoni is a good man, he's a fine cricketer, he's done the country proud, etc., etc. And by the way, they say, have you got any proof that he's done anything wrong? The question is the definition of conflict of interest. The definition of conflict of interest is one person's interest in one issue conflicting with his interest in another issue, and the overlap not being a good situation to be in. Now, I am asking tonight, Atul, for God's sake, choose. What is more important, Vice President of India Cements or Captain of India? You can choose.
Of course, Captain of India. Now,
then why doesn't he choose?
The court has brought this conflict of interest. So I'm telling he's going to choose now. Give him a chance, because at that point he didn't see it was so big a deal, because
he didn't see. So he's going to he should quit from one of the jobs, right?
By proxy.
It still is not a big deal.
By proxy, Mr. Modi owned. Srinivasan ji was the board head honcho. He owned the team, so everything was allowed at that point.
What do you mean everything? I have a problem with this. Everything was allowed. No, I have a problem with your high threshold of tolerance.
So he has not committed a sin.
I have a serious problem. I have a serious problem, Mr. Vasan, with your high threshold of tolerance. You keep saying, you know, Mr. Vasan, I have a problem with you tonight on News. Let me say this. My problem with you tonight is, my problem with you, Mr. Vasan, today is, chalta hai, it was like this only, high threshold of tolerance, these things happen, BCCI is run like this only. I mean, why should it be run like this only? Why should it be such an incestuous, gigantic mess?
So no, you're right. It needs to be changed. I am with you that things needs to change. This is the tipping point. We should take this opportunity. And if the court has said this is wrong, then we know for sure.
So Atul, you are also saying Dhoni quit as why?
Do this in the future.
You want to see Dhoni quit from India Cements? Am I right or wrong?
Give him a chance. He will.
He will. Will he?
You want to bet?
Will he? No, I don't want to bet. I would like to see that. Many Indians would like to see him quit as Vice President of India Cements.
I'm telling you, because at that point he was naive not to understand the implications on this has blown up in everybody's face.
Okay, you want to give him the benefit of doubt on that one?
And wait for the courts.
Okay, want to give him the benefit of the Himanshu Chaturvedi taking you on again every time Atul Vasan you speak, Himanshu Chaturvedi's hand goes up. Yes, Mr. Chaturvedi.
Yeah. Atul, one thing very clear, that each time you do a favor to the BCCI, saying that the court now has said that. So for each thing you should only go back to the court, then you should shut down BCCI and only have a panel of lawyers. Each time a decision has to be taken, go to the court of law and take a decision, even whether it is selection, whether it is a tour abroad, everything has to be done by court of law. Second, we are missing a very important. Atul, can I didn't speak anything in between, please. One second. Now, very important point all of us are missing here. The timing of Dhoni joining Vice President BCCI, he was cozily working for Air India. When Mr. Srinivasan decides to buy a team of IPL, he decides to get Dhoni as Vice President in the company. So it's the planned move of Mr. Dhoni and Srinivasan in a collision. It is not different. And you're talking of naive.
To do what?
Somebody who's naive to have
Mr. Hegde.
His colleague.
Sanjay Hegde.
No background. Please.
Sanjay Hegde.
To do what?
Sanjay Hegde. Himanshu. Let Sanjay Hegde take you on.
We have had players.
I would like to come in.
No, Sanjay Hegde.
We have had players who have worked with various organizations.
Mr. Hegde, I do not
Dhoni
interfere when you're talking,
himself
please.
was a ticket collector of Indian Railways when he first started out.
I know.
Now,
I was sitting with
at that point of time, the railway minister was Lalu Prasad
don't
Yadav.
Tell me that, Mr. Hegde. You are not.
Who also was there for the.
1 second, please allow me to speak.
No,
go ahead.
Prasad Yadav was also head of the Bihar Cricket Association.
Who's Mr. Pandey?
Now, can you ascribe all of Lalu Prasad's sins to Dhoni at that particular point of time?
He becomes owner of a Riti Sport, which is a huge company. It is totally owned by Dhoni. He is a camouflage. He is a surrogated man sitting for Dhoni there. So how can Sunil you talk, Mr. Vasan, that he is naive? He doesn't know the implication of joining a company. Somebody who's made an empire of crores through making money by putting people.
What, Himanshu, by the way, Himanshu.
I'm just scared that he might just after some time, be.
Just a minute. Can I put it in perspective? The company has a cricket team. The cricket team needs a captain. The company would also like to have this person on board the company. So they create a
What are the
sinecure for him.
timings?
They call him vice president.
What are
They could have
timings?
called him chief cricketing
What a
officer.
timing.
They could have
He
called
leaves
him
the government
anything.
job and he
I don't.
quasi government job and he comes and joins a private company.
So what?
So
The government
what
is not a holy
what did they do?
empire.
You
What
ran
did they
for
collude?
India. Why didn't he leave a
It
job
doesn't
and
make
went there?
any difference. You have a
He
new
has the right
you have a
to
new
join
employer.
any company.
No, no, Mr. Hegde, a minute. So, 1 second. Mr. Hegde, tonight, what are we coming to all the time? We are making one argument. What your argument and some other people's arguments is, and today Atul Vasan says, give Dhoni a break. I'm saying, listen, let Dhoni play on for India, but let Dhoni realize that it's looking bad. That the company in which he's vice president of India Cements owns a team called Chennai Super Kings, which is facing sacking, which is about to be sacked, it would appear from the questions. The option of Chennai Super Kings being sacked is very real today, isn't it? Isn't it a very real possibility? Can we discount that? Who is the
Of
captain?
course it is.
Arnab,
Isn't it?
I would think there would be a procedure before they are sacked. And that would involve another hearing and a lot
I am sure there will be a procedure. I'm not saying it has
that they
happened.
will be sacked.
I'm not saying it has happened. I'm saying there appears to be a possibility. One can't rule it out. Bimal Soni wants to say something here. Bimal Soni.
Well, there are 101 possibilities.
Arnab,
Life is full of
Hold on.
possibilities.
Bimal Soni.
That's a very serious
I would like to
possibility.
put things in right perspective. Chennai Super Kings was made as a team after permission from the board. Subsequently, Dhoni was captain of that team for 3-4 years. The only conflict has come in once his selection was managed by Srinivasan and then he became the vice president. After that, now today what we are arguing on conflict of interest is because in Mayappan's case, when spot fixing and betting has come into light, Dhoni has spoken the same words like Srinivasan that he was just an enthusiast. This is the angle. That means after he became the vice president, he has toed the line of his president and there is a conflict of interest. CSK is involved, Mayappan is involved, and if he is there in the Mudgal committee
But how do you know
report
if he wasn't vice president?
as
he
one
must
of the
have something
13
else.
Sumant Raman.
please
Yeah,
let me
I mean,
complete.
see, this is we are
If
going
we- what I am
entirely on
saying is
innuendo.
he
Okay,
could have-
we are not. Yes, sir. Please complete. please.
What we are doing, I am again saying that Dhoni as captain was acceptable. Dhoni playing for CSK was acceptable because he was bought in an auction. Okay, but his playing around at this juncture on Mayappan being an enthusiast is wrong, is perjury. So what the Supreme Court decides, Dhoni will follow.
It is
But
not
at the same
perjury.
time,
It was
we
not
all
an oath.
understand that he was under the influence to have spoken like
the
that,
Mughal
and
committee
if
would
he is
not have
guilty, he should be
mentioned it?
punished.
Would-
But he should be.
in its report?
You think Sumant
If they mentioned it,
You think
then
Sumant,
Dhoni
the
has to
Indian
suffer.
cricket
The Mughal
captain-
committee would not have mentioned it in the report if he lied to them.
First of all, nobody is saying he's lied to anyone.
If it is in the report,
course
then
it
it
will be
will.
there.
No, nobody is saying. I'm not even talking about Mudgal committee
is-
report. What am I talking
Exactly.
about? I'm talking about the possibility that today Dhoni will say
we are
that Chennai Super Kings is being questioned. Questions are being asked on why it should not be sacked. Questions are being asked about the company
But
in which I
Arnab,
work
we're
for
going
having ownership
entirely
over
on
Chennai
innuendo.
Super Kings. Maybe the more honorable thing for me at this
We are
stage
going
is to
on
quit my
innuendo. You know
corporate
what?
job so that the conflict of interest does not arise anymore.
But we are going entirely on innuendo.
Where is the
We are
innuendo?
going-
I don't
As
understand.
We are
Vasan
not
is
going
saying,
on
as
any
Vasan-
hard evidence.
As
There is zero innuendo in this. You also
As
know
Vasan
that.
has
No,
said
we're not having any evidence. No, we don't have any
The evidence is
to
that
say
he is vice
that
president of
Dhoni
India
and Mr.
Cements.
Srinivasan colluded on anything. Himanshu keeps saying they formed a grand conspiracy to
nobody is making
collude on what?
innuendos. Nobody is making a charge against Dhoni. We are only saying that he
Himanshu
is holding two positions which are not
Himanshu did
tenable.
say that they colluded. The word he used was colluded. Please, Mr. Krishnasamy, you just listen to what Himanshu said.
That is what Mr. One second.
said-
That is
No,
what.
I
That
did
is.
hear
that.
Colluded on
Raman,
what?
I did hear that. I do agree with you. That is wrongful. Nobody can accuse anyone.
I agree with
despite
that.
Substantial evidence.
Yes, nobody is
But there
making an
are two
accusation on
positions
Dhoni.
that he is holding, which are not tenable.
No, but the fact is, he's vice
There are two
president of a
positions
company that
he's
owns
holding
an
are not
IPL
tenable
team.
today. That is what we are arguing. Nobody.
But why did we say this of Rahul Dravid?
Accusing
Rahul Dravid
Mr.
was-
Srinivasan of wrongdoing.
The question tonight is, he's vice president of a company, Sumant,
don't
listen to me,
accuse
that
Mr.
owns an
Srinivasan of
IPL
wrongdoing.
team.
Why aren't we saying
As
this?
India
Rahul Dravid.
captain,
It's a conflict of
as India captain, he has significant say in selection. We can ask whether Dhoni should steer clear from the perception.
Precisely.
Mark my words. If he's smart, he should steer clear from the perception that players playing for one IPL team or players who have an association with India Cements could be given a long rope vis-a-vis their place in the Indian team. It could lend itself to the perception that Dhoni is in a position where there could be significant conflict of interest. And after all that has happened with the Mudgal committee and the IPL scam and everything, I think Dhoni should place, all I'm saying is, place your nation before everything else. And understand, nobody wants to see an Indian cricket captain caught in conflict of interest. That's all. On an issue of propriety, take a stand, Mr. Dhoni.
That's it. Absolutely.
That's all we are saying. Take a stand, Dhoni.
who's got some
Now the time has
fantastic
come for you,
record as a
Dhoni.
cricketer.
Quit your corporate job, keep your nation first. That's an option. He can exercise what he wants to do. Well, let's see what he does.
And I think for a man who's been such
None
a
of
fine
us-
captain, I
none
think
of
he
us
should
have any dissent on
understand
that.
when he takes a decision on the field, this is also a decision that he needs to take in his life.
What decision will he take, Mr. Bhimani? Last word to you, sir. Mr. Bhimani, what is he going to do?
It's very clear, Arnav, you summed it up in the last minute or so, absolutely spot on. He has got these options. He should resign tomorrow. from
Resign
his
tomorrow
job
as what? From India Cements?
India Cements, because this is it's not tenable today if the things are open, but he should resign from it so that there is no conflict of interest, and a fantastic cricketer that he is. Concentrate on the game. You don't have to lead the team. You don't
In
have
fact,
to lead
in-
He's been a very
CSK.
good
You
captain,
continue to
excellent
play the
cricketer.
kind of great cricket you always
India-
play.
In fact, I would
India
say many people will respect Dhoni tomorrow if he stands up
I'm glad.
and he
I'm
takes
glad
a
we're not
position.
casting any aspersions on him. We are only saying, at least we are only saying
Place
that, if he
India above
wants
India
to,
Cements.
Now,
appear totally above board, then he can think of moving out of India Cements. That is fair enough, but it's certainly not right to say that they are colluding. on
The point tonight being made is this.
Glad that you are
The
seeing-
point being made is this.
seeing this in that light.
Even if I yes Swami.
Very happy that Raman is seeing it in this light.
Yes, I don't know what Raman was arguing about. We all see it in that light.
I've always said the same thing. I've said the same
So-
thing, but the scroll didn't say that. I mean, what
I think we are all at-
about earlier
Everybody
was
accusing Dhoni.
The question here is not whether Dhoni has done anything wrong.
Inappropriate.
The question is that Dhoni is caught in a situation where he must choose. He can't wear three hats at a time where there are so many questions being raised. And he just needs to step away from the India Cements role. Let this, focus on your cricket and realize you don't need to be captain of India with muck flying all around you and questions being raised. So Dhoni, do the wise thing. Choose nation over company. We'll see what you do, and thank you all very much for joining me on that debate on the News Hour tonight.